Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your Redmi is powered and online. This prevents interruptions. Once connected, go straight to Settings and tap Accounts in Sync or the Google entry. This is where Accounts live. You need your Google email and password now, and if you use two-step verification, have your phone or backup codes ready. Doing this first speeds the process and avoids repeated sign-in prompts, so prepare credentials and a stable connection before continuing. You tap Add Account, select Google, then choose Personal or Work depending on the account. Enter your email address and press Next. Type the password carefully because repeated failures lock attempts. Make sure to read and accept the permissions requested so syncing can work. These let Contacts, Calendar, and Play Store communicate. If two-step verification appears, follow the prompt to approve the sign-in. Once done, the account begins syncing. Make sure sync settings match your needs. After adding the account, open Google Play or Gmail to confirm everything synced correctly. This shows the account is active. If issues arise, first check Internet, correct password, and that date and time are accurate. Incorrect time breaks authentication. Next, clear cache for Google Play and Google services or reboot the phone. If problems persist, use Google Account Recovery on another device or remove and re-add the account as a last resort to reset the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.